In today's video, we will be exploring the Yucatán Peninsula here in Mexico. We relaxed for a couple days before we started to explore the cenotes, doing a little bit of bird watching by the coast and watching the sun set.
Welcome to Yucatán. We are currently in the cenotes and watch us have some fun.
We're about to take a carriage drawn by a horse to four cenotes.
Sí, hay que descender. Hay que
Descende. Gracias.
We made it to our first cenote. We climbed our way down towards the fresh water pool below. The water was so refreshing and clean, the perfect spot to be in during a hot Mexican day. Many of the cenotes here, including this one, are perfect for skin diving because they can get pretty deep and the water is still clean and the rock formations are still very visible from below. After, we made our way towards our next cenote, back on the horse.
Okay, it's moving. We can move it by itself. Daddy's pushing it. Cenote number 2.
Ready.
Right over there.
Cenote de San Felipe.
This cenote was a bit smaller, but you can see a lot more stalactites and stalagmites in the cave. There was also another deeper end in this cenote that we could explore. We slowly made our way back to the cart and onto our next cenote.
We're currently heading to our third cenotes right now. Walking up through the path and yeah, we'll see how it is.
This cenote is my favorite one in this tour because of the rope swing and the massive space to swim around in. We finally took our last couple swings and started to head out.
Okay, we just got out. We're gonna head to our last cenote.
We made it to our fourth cenote.
Okay, so we're currently at the Los Tres Oches cenote. I'm gonna get my goggles out because apparently this is like a diving-ish area. Okay, I'm currently just going ahead, mainly because I'm pretty excited. And here's the view of me going down. Look at that. Ready to jump in.
This is easily one of my favorite cenotes in the area, mainly because of the jumping off point and that our friends came over, the Malimish family. We had such a great time in this cenote. I really liked how it was so open to the sky so the natural light can come in and let the unique plants grow around the area. As I mentioned earlier, this cenote is really deep, so I can do a lot of skin diving here. After, we headed to our last cenote right next to the one we were just at. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to check out our channel for more of our adventures and see you next week!